2021 Peterbilt 520. This is a side loader. It has the steering wheel and everything on the right side. I just finished doing these, and there's another video for those. On this one, like I said, the steering wheel's on the side, on the right side. On the other one, you can get to the key switch and you can pull down the ignition wire on the hot. On this one you can't. So real easy. Take out 5 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll get to the ignition switch. And there's a red wire for constant and an orange wire for ignition. You have to test the ignition. There's a whole bunch of orange ones. In this case, we are doing here a battery disconnect, so I did not use the power from there. I just used the ignition. If you take off this panel right here, there'll be a grommet down at the bottom, and you'll fish your battery disconnect harness down. You have to make a hole from the underside going up with your unibit. It's a hard plastic and it's not rubber, so you'll have to use your unibit. And then just run it across to the bottom. Mechanic here gave me a creepers. If not, it would have been a really hard. And then that's your battery box right there. So yeah, that's it.